Hi guys, today I would like to talk about how you can get potential sponsors for your FTC team. This is a table of contents. First, we're going to talk about which companies or who you should go to for a sponsorship. Then, I would like to explain some things that would help you and benefit you in getting a sponsorship. And then I have some tips on how to create a great presentation. First, here's an introduction of myself. My name's Yash, and I'm a team member from the Bionic Ducks, which is a new FTC team that we started up this year. Everyone who comes from this team also has great experience in FLL. First, you might be wondering who you should go to get a sponsorship. Well, you should always try to target these big companies like Motorola and Google. Also, target sponsors of FTC competition like Caterpillar. Caterpillar is known for giving sponsorships to teams across FTC, and they're a great sponsor of this competition. You should also look at local STEM programs around you, like look at a tutoring agency or somewhere where they'll have science or math programs. These people understand your cause better than the big companies would, because they're also trying to create the same impact that you are. Big companies tend to be much harder to reach, so first, reach out in an email. Try to get them interested, and then maybe do a Zoom meeting or some kind of presentation to get them interested into giving you a sponsorship. And then look at it. If you're looking at a local STEM business, you should visit them and present your reason for asking for money, because obviously they're right next to you. Next, here's some benefits. This will help you in getting a sponsorship much better. You want to be very clear and precise about what you're going to do with this money. You want to make sure that the people you're presenting to understand what they are giving you money for. You have to explain how the money that they're receiving or you're receiving will help you reach your goal. If you're explaining this in a real life presentation, you have to make sure to captivate your audience. Your audience should be hanging on to every word you say. They should be interested. You want to explain your outreach. Your outreach is the people that you are affecting outside of your team, like people who are following along with your team. And you want to explain how the sponsors are helping you and helping your entire community by giving you the money and donating for your cause, which is your FTC team. And now, here are some tips for you to have a great presentation and captivate your audience even more. Use bullet points in presentation. By bullet points, I mean 6 to 7, and use one sentence in each. Keep each point concise. Carry your meaning with as few words as possible. You want to make sure that you're not creating some long monologue, because who wants to listen to a long lecture, right? Make sure that your audience is captivated. Put pictures in the slideshow, because people say that a picture is worth 1,000 words. So use that to your advantage. For example, when you're explaining what FTC is to your sponsors, you might want to put in a couple pictures of the robot, right? Impress them. Make it seem like this robot, it's a big deal, right? You want to make people see that. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you'll subscribe to this channel and follow our team, the Bionic Ducks, as we continue going on this journey for better skill.